to hurt the game. I would've killed that shit. Rebuild this bitch. I rebuild this shit. And this my fucking night. Yeah, fucking right. I'm here to stay. Move on with your fucking life.
And I'm the greatest, feeling like the greatest. Middle finger to the haters, you're the one that made us. Rose gold down the aisle to the altar, laughing as you falter. Close you up, rock up your
Oh my god.